Good day, kids! Welcome to our new normal classroom. I am your virtual teacher and I'm here to teach you math. So before we start, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. So for our lesson for today, we're going to discuss about visualizing ratios, expressing fractions to ratio, and vice versa. Let's define the terms. What is a fraction? Fraction represents a part of a whole or more generally, any number of equal parts. So example, 2/3. Now what is a numerator? It tells how many parts of the whole or collection are taken. So 2 is our numerator. What is a denominator? It shows the number of the whole being divided. It functions as the divisor of the numerator. So here, 3 is our denominator. What is a ratio? Ratio is a spoken language of arithmetic. It is a way of comparing two or more quantities having the same units. The quantities may be separate entities or may be different parts of a whole. Ratio can be written in three different ways. So we have word form, A is to B. Column form, A column B. Fraction form, by giving the value of their quotient. Example, find the ratio of pumpkins to vegetables. Ang hahanapin daw natin ay ratio ng pumpkins sa vegetable. Ilan kaya ang pumpkins dito? So, meron tayong dalawa. Ilan kaya ang vegetables natin? Meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na broccoli, tapos dalawang pumpkin. So, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So, kapag ginawa natin siya into word form, we will have 2 is to 7. 2 yung number ng pumpkin, 7 naman yung number na vegetables. In column form, it is written as 2 colon 7. And in fraction form, we have 2 over 7. Another example, find the ratio of chairs to furniture. Ilan ba ang chairs natin? So, we have 3 chairs. And sa furniture natin, ilan kaya ang furniture? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, when we write it in word form, we have 3 is to 5. When we write it into column form, we have 3 colon 5. And in fraction form, we have 3 all over 5. Definition of terms. What is rate? Rate is a comparison of two quantities but may have different units of measures. And the ratio has a unit of measurement. Halimbawa, 30 meters per minute. Okay, pinaghahambing natin dito yung meters saka yung minute. So, meron tayong unit ng measurement dito. Yung isa ay meters, yung isa naman ay minute sa oras. Illustrative example. What is 30 out of 100 expressed in fraction? So, 30 all over 100. So, anong mapapansin natin dun sa given? So, 30 over 100, meron siyang GCF. So, we can divide them into 10. So, 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10ths. So, 30 over 100 is equal to 3 tenths. So, our answer is 30 out of 100 is 3 over 10 as fraction. Okay, another example. What is 75 out of 50 expressed in fraction? So, 75 all over 50, gawin natin siya sa lowest term. So, di-divide natin siya into 25 all over 25 since 25 is their GCF. 75 divided by 25 is 3. All over 50 divided by 25 is 2. Anong mapapansin nyo? So, meron tayo ditong improper fraction. Tatandaan, kapag ratio ang pinag-uusapan natin, hindi na natin siya gagawing mixed number. So, our answer, 75 out of 50 is 3 halves as fraction. Another example. A class of 45 students has 15 boys. First question, what is the ratio of boys to girls? Second question, what is the ratio of girls to the entire class? Okay, ang given lang dito ay yung total number of students sa class saka yung number ng boys. So, kailangan nating hanapin ang number ng girls. So, paano nga ba natin siya hahanapin? First step is to subtract the number of boys into the number of students. So, 45 minus 16 will give you 29. So, sa first question natin, what is the ratio of boys to girls? So, ilan nga ba yung boys natin? We have 16. So, 16 is to 29. Then, the other one, what is the ratio of girls to the entire class? Ilan nga ulit ang number ng girls natin? 29. So, 29 is to 45. So, this is our answers. Letter A, the ratio of boys to girls is 16 is to 29 or 16 over 29. So, nasa lowest term na siya, wala na tayong gagawin pa. For the second answer, we have the ratio of girls to the entire class is 29 is to 45 or 29 all over 45. Another example, 4 business class buses has a total capacity of 244 passengers. How many passengers can travel per bus? Okay, how are we going to do it? So, gawin muna natin siya into ratio form. So, 244 is to 4. So, kapag fraction form siya, we will have 244 all over 4. Okay, let's divide. 244 divided by 4. So, 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. Bring down 4. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so for our answer, there are 61 passengers in each class. Now, how do we express fraction to ratio? We have 6 all over 7. So, in ratio form, we will just put 6 is to 7. Okay, paano naman kapag 8 all over 10? So, makikita nyo, wala pa yung fraction into lowest term. We can divide them into 2 since 2 is their GCF. So, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So, in ratio form, it is 4 is to 5. Okay, paano naman kapag ganito? Halimbawa, 9 all over 3. So, ang GCF niya is 3. So, we can divide them into 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So, kapag ganito, hindi na natin siya i-whole number. So, pwede na natin siyang isulat as 3 is to 1. So, that is our ratio form. Another example, we have 4 all over 3. Anong mapapansin nyo? Improper fraction siya. So, kapag ratio, ang sabi ko nga kanina, hindi nyo na siya gagawing mixed number. So, we will just write 4 is to 3. Another one, we have 10 all over 7. Improper fraction siya. Hindi na natin siya gagawing mixed number. So, pag sinulat natin siya, 10 is to 7. Paano naman kung ratio papunta sa fraction form? Okay, halimbawa, 6 is to 7. So, kapag ganyan, si 6 yung ating numerator, then 7 will be our denominator. So, ang fraction form niya is 6 all over 7. Okay, another example, 10 is to 5. So, sa fraction form, 10 all over 5. Anong mapapansin nyo? Wala siya sa lowest term. So, we will divide them into 5 para makuha natin yung lowest term ng fraction. So, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So, ang fraction form niya is 2 over 1. Okay, another example. We have 8 is to 6. So, pag ginawa natin siyang fraction form, we will have 8 all over 6. Improper fraction siya. Tatandaan, hindi na natin siya gagawing mixed number. So, divide lang natin siya into 2 since wala siya sa lowest term. So, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So, ang fraction form ni 8:6 is 4 all over 3. So, thank you for listening. I am your virtual teacher. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye!